Hey everyone! So this week in art, we're going to talk about color theory. So what is color theory? Color theory shows us how to mix colors, and it shows us the visual effects of each color combination. So let's get started with our artwork. You're going to need some materials to start, so I'm going to list them, and you can pause it if you need to. But you're going to need a pencil, a piece of white paper, watercolors, and a black crayon. So first we're going to start out with our pencil, and what I want you to do in each corner is to make these, it's almost like the scalloped shaped circle. It looks like a cloud, and it is going to be a cloud. So you're going to draw these half circle, sort of oval shapes, going around in a circle on each side. Once you're finished with that, you're going to take out your watercolor paints. And when we do watercolors, we always wet our brush first. That is the first thing you're going to do. So take your brush out and put it in a cup of water, swish it around a little bit, make sure it's wet, and we're going to go into our first color, which is red. And we're making a rainbow. So the first color of our rainbow is red, and you're just going to draw this half circle shape going from one cloud to the other. And I got a little bit more color to darken it up. And once you're done using that color, wet your brush off. You always want to wet your brush off in between different colors. So the next color I'm using is yellow. And I'm not going to put it right next to that red. I'm just going to do it a little bit above because I'm going to eventually mix these two colors together to create orange. So I'm going to use a little bit of red. Now they're starting to mix together and make orange. Just blend it a little bit more. Washing my brush off once again. And now I'm going to go into my blue. So for this, you only need the primary colors. That means you only need red, yellow, and blue. And you can make any color in the rainbow. So I'm using blue, doing the same thing that I did last time, and I'm painting just above that yellow, leaving space in between for mixing. I'm going to fill it in just a little bit. Washing my brush off. Now I'm going in to my yellow to mix yellow and blue together to get green. You can see the rainbow is already coming together. Colors are blending. And a little little bit more yellow. Sometimes those other colors can overpower the yellow, so sometimes you might need to add a little bit more yellow than you thought you did. Washing my brush off. Now we're going back to the beginning, and I'm using red, just like we did from the start. And as all of you know, red and blue mixed together make purple. So purple is our last color. And that's it for our watercolors. I just fast forwarded my drawing, and I'm going to now outline my clouds and my rainbow. Make sure that your painting is completely dry before you do this, because if it's not, your paper will rip. So make sure it's completely dry. So I'm just outlining the outside of my rainbow. And there you have it, your watercolor rainbow. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next week. Bye.